Okay, write a function rule that gives the total cost C of P, meaning the function rule C applied to the variable P. What is the variable P? The variable P is P pounds of sugar, or some number of pounds of sugar, if each pound costs 59 cents, or $0.59. Okay, so you can logically think about this, hopefully, and say, okay, well, what's going to go on here? If the number of pounds of sugar was 1, how much would we pay? We would pay 0.59 cost for pounds of sugar. And if we got 2, that would be how much? It would be $1.08. Sorry, no, it would be $1.18. Doing the math in my head. $1.18. And we don't necessarily have to use just whole numbers. We could say, what about 2.5? Then we'd have to actually multiply 2.5 times 0.59. But let's just go by whole numbers for the sake of ease. This is $7.77. 4 would be $2.36, etc. What are we doing every time? We are multiplying the number of pounds by the cost per pound. This is a very common type of problem, real basic. You're going to want to master this, where if you were paying a cost uh, per unit, let's say, the unit being pounds, then you will multiply that variable number of pounds by the unit price. So we would say, okay, then C of P will equal 0.59 times however many pounds we get. We get 1 pound, we do 59 cents times 1. 2 pounds, 59 cents times 2, etc. Which one is that? Well, that's D right there. So we have the answer D, and that's it. Straight up, we're done.